So, if you've never seen this pro stock class, you are going to be impressed. Green lights on the sled, green flag on the track. It is all up to KRIS HOYT and the Nut Kings. All right, so Jeffrey Faust here, ready to make it fast. Miles an hour. Waiting toward the distance coming from the laser drill. Letting us get back to normal. So green lights are on the sled. Green flags on the track. It is up to BRANDI Martin. Come on, ladies. This is your chance. Has to go better than 3:36.59. Well, that was not the run she is known for or was expecting here tonight. She does have the option. So as he tightens the chain, the green lights on that Kraus sled, here go green. And green flags on the track. It is all up to Josh Martin right now. Has to go better than 3:36 and change. Come on, green man. I don't know, he was definitely going to be close down there, but I don't think so. 32.4 miles an hour. Pace 1370, chain is tight, he is ready to go. Got to go better than 3:36.59 to take over the #1 spot. That could be a long ride home if we beat the old man. So BRANDI Martin got the green lights on the sled, green flags on the track. It is all up to her right now. Leading distance 3:39 and some change. Come on, ladies, you got one more chance after this. was doing a little bit of a dance right there. First went towards the left and then took her back over towards the right. Front end of the air, having to hit that brake pretty hard, I would assume. So that definitely was not the path he was looking for. 30.6 makes some power. So this is all up to Jason Svonavec. 3:39 and change is what it's going to take to go through the winner's circle. Come on, John Deere fans. So green lights on the sled, green flags on the track. Tim Ammons and the Ultimate Harvester back to 245. Come on, Big International fans. Green flags on the track. We are ready to go. All up to Josh Martin now. 3:39 and some change is the leading distance. Come on, green fans, you're winding down here. One more after this. Working for it. She was laboring down through there, but I don't think she did it. 31.3 miles per hour. So she dropped her first buck. This is going to be the one that counts, whether she goes 3 inches or 300 feet. This is going to be the one that goes down in the record book. Come on, ladies, get behind her. Come on, John Deere fans. You got a king sitting out front. BRANDI Martin and the third Deere, John Deere 7710. HOYT sounded like the normal Deere we know. It's cleared out. Here we go. BRANDI Martin and the Deere. John Deere 7710. Not tonight, fans, so in the record book. Wow, that was not sounding good there. For BRANDI Martin and the Deere. Not the usual run there for BRANDI. As they wait for the distance to come in.